Hello to all my artsy friends. With all the time being spent working at home lately, I needed to update my home office to have a wall dedicated to organization right back here. Today we'll be building a boho themed command center with some Dollar Tree finds. Then I'll share how I have my home office and crafting area organized. Let's start by showing you some of the goodies I got for this project. Mom over at Mom Das Life Handmade invited me to be her co-host for the boho themed Useful DIY Challenge. So by useful, this could be any kind of home decor that has a purpose. And instead of just a pretty piece of art, it has to be something that's useful. Check out the playlist to see other useful DIYs with a boho theme. If you're not familiar with Mom's channel, she does so many home decor videos and is really creative with her ideas. I will link her channel and the playlist in the description box below. So all those items were either from Dollar Tree, Target, or Amazon. I'll try to list as many of them as I possibly can below for you in case you want to check them out. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maria and my channel is Artsy Cupcake. I love being creative and sharing creative ideas with you so you can get really creative in your home with DIYs, crafts, and home decor. I do these as inexpensively as possible, so I'm always at Dollar Tree. So if you love the idea of budget-friendly home decor, then make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. If you already have a frame, you could just pop out the picture and use that frame, but unfortunately I didn't have any big enough, so I hunted for the biggest frame I could find for the lowest price. I found this 27 by 40 frame at Target. I disassembled this and then painted the frame with some white primer and then put a nice shade of gold paint on top. Those two pieces of foam core are from Dollar Tree and will be the backing for everything we are doing on this command center. I did an initial sketch to get the feel of how I wanted everything to be laid out. Next, I measured the foam core and cut it to size. Don't worry about the seams, we will be covering those up later. I found these cork sheets at Dollar Tree and they're actually really sticky on the back. Now for an exciting trip to Paper Source. If you are a crafty designer nerd like me, then you'll be super excited about a paper store trip too. They had this happy little wall of paper, so I looked for some papers with a little bit of gold and some bohemian vibes. I got more than I needed, so I will have some left over for future crafts. You could also use whatever rolls of wrapping paper that you have laying around. I cut these to size for the sections at the bottom. Then I used my trusty Super 77 spray mount to stick these directly onto the foam core. Next, we will be trimming this roll of white board paper. I found this on Amazon, and we're going to be putting this on the foam core. Now, this was the trickiest part of the whole project. I recommend peeling back the sticker just about an inch at a time and slowly working your way across. It can quickly become wrinkled if you don't take your time on this part. I used some E6000 to attach this pom-pom ribbon, and I put that on one of the sections. I definitely think this has boho vibes. Then I used some more E6000 to mount this wire basket from Dollar Tree right onto the middle bottom section. I put something heavy on top to help it adhere better. Next, I used the gold washi tape along the various sections of the command center. It stuck really good on the paper areas and the whiteboard, but on the cork it wanted to come off, so I used a little bit of glue to hold it down. I am going to be doing a weekly calendar, so I divided the whiteboard into 7 sections. And this washi tape can be taken on and off easily without damaging the whiteboard underneath. I used some sticky letters for the month, and those also can be easily switched from month to month. I used an old frame and I put a little sign that I had made for it. I want this to be removable so I can switch that quote every month. So I added Velcro to hold this in place. A few finishing touches and this cute boho command center is ready to go. It is really lightweight and I just love how it came out. Now here is my home office. I have been working full-time from home for a couple years now. I'm a graphic designer, so I could pretty much work from wherever I want. I have this little side table over here, and above is where my new command center will be. On the bookshelves behind my desk, I have a few decorations that make me happy. This little llama, some paper flowers I made in another tutorial. These birds over here were my grandma's, and I almost thought that they got lost during the move from Texas to Colorado, but luckily I found them. They were inside of another box and I was so happy I didn't lose them. This is the best lighting in the house, so I do a lot of my crafts on the side of my desk here. I store my camera equipment in this closet. And on the left side of the closet, I have all my craft supplies organized in these shoe and sweater closet organizers. I love Dollar Tree, so most of these items are from there. Don't forget to check out Mom's channel and the playlist with all the boho themed videos. And there's a little subscribe button right over here, so make sure to click on that and then you'll know when I put my next video up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.